This mud is deeper than we thought. Yeah, and the bumper is shot. We have to use the wheels. Get the straps ready, we'll try and lift from the sides.
We're looking at a rear extraction using the recovery straps.
The subframe looks compromised, though.
All right, easy now, easy. Oh! A little more to the right. Hold it steady, it's swinging. Look at the corrosion on the chassis. We'll need to source new panels for the front end. This is beyond repair. All right, team, let's get it off the trailer. The front left housing is shattered and the bumper mounts are completely sheared off. We're looking at extensive frame damage here.
See the stress fractures on the frame, and the hinge assembly is totally rusted through. We're looking at a full rebuild here.
Corrosion on the brake disc is extensive.
Yeah, we're looking at a full suspension teardown here. That mud is everywhere. I've never seen an Aventador in this state. Look at the mold on the dash.
The water damage goes deep. This is going to be a complete teardown. This spot right here, it goes all the way through. Okay, let me mark that. We can't just patch over this. Look at the state of this intake manifold, sir.
Yeah, the mud is completely blocking the vents. We need to start with dry ice.
We need to address the corrosion on the chassis rails first. The structural integrity is compromised here.
All right, I'll start with the assessment report on the suspension components.
The undercarriage reveals the true extent of the contamination. Thick layers of hardened mud cover everything, highlighting years of abandonment.
All right, slowly raise the hoist. Watch the clearance on the left side.
Okay, I see it. The chain tension looks good. We are clear.
Easy now. Watch the clearance on the left side.
Got it. A little higher on the hoist. Slow and steady.
As you can see, the neglect is severe. Look at this sludge buildup in the lubrication passages and the scoring on these bearings.
So this is the bare chassis. We're looking at extensive rust migration here at the suspension points, and the wiring harnesses are completely caked in residue.
Here we see the 2015 Lamborghini Aventador in its raw state. Every component has been meticulously removed.
You can see the cleaning process removed all the corrosion. Now we just need to verify the measurements against the blueprint here.
Meticulously rebuilt, every component of this V12 supercar engine is assembled with absolute precision.
Mounts look clear. Lower it slowly.
Confirmed. It's settling into place.
Texture is flawless across the door.
Agreed. Final readings are all within tolerance.
Flawless. The best one yet.